Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need elevated privileges now, so open an administrator command prompt. Right-click Start and choose Windows Terminal, Admin, or search CMD, right-click and Run as administrator. Accept the UAC prompt. Once done, verify your token with whoami/groups to confirm administrator membership. If you don't have admin rights, request them or switch to the built-in administrator account. This step gives you the permission context required for the next fixes and avoids repeated access denied errors when changing system files or permissions. You'll repair ownership and ACL so commands can run. First, take ownership. Run takeown/fc /path/r/dy to claim files and folders. This ensures you can change ACLs. Next, reset permissions with iCackles C /path/grant administrators. F/T, which grants full control to administrators recursively. Make sure to disable or pause antivirus and close programs that lock files. Use Process Explorer to find handles. Once these steps finish, commands that previously failed now confirm the fix by running the exact commands that gave access denied before. Do so in the elevated prompt so you verify success. If problems persist, create a temporary local admin account, repeat the takeown/iCackle sequence, and compare results. Make sure to review group policy restrictions and EFS encrypted files, which can block access. If nothing works, check Deny ACEs with iCackles and remove them carefully. Tip: if you inadvertently lock system files, restore permissions from a backup or system restore before proceeding further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.